Okay, so moving on to our next example of this foreign remittance accounting. Let us go ahead and see what it is. So there's a company called Travel Clicko. Uh, this is doing something. What they are doing. If you don't know anything, you just go to foreign remittance 15 CB and you can go ahead and see what kind of service it is giving. Otherwise, you can see it from the agreement and the invoice. Okay. So this is the travel Clicko, and how much we have paid? We have paid 9110 USD at the rate 68.97, total 6,28,000 rupees. Okay, 9100. This is the USD. This is the bank charges. So I'm not accounting for bank charges in this transaction. We will account for only the balance thing. Okay, bank charges you can account for. There is no problem in that. So this, now let us see the invoice, what kind of service they are giving. They are giving channel agency, channel intelligence, maintenance fees, multiple comset capability. Oh, so I'll just give you a brief. If you have an agreement, you can understand what is this agency channel intelligence. Is basically they are giving you an intelligence report that how other properties in the comset of this competitive set, or your competitors in the of the hotel industry are making their rates on a daily basis to capture the guest online. This is what the channel intelligence they're talking about. So they are giving you some reports based upon that. And this service, I'm sorry, just give me a minute. And this service they are giving us, this is for, okay, we are there. This service they are giving for, it is for April 19 to March 2020. Okay, I think this you can read now. Sorry. So they are giving it from April 19 to March 20. Okay, so same thing we are booking in the month of September. So it is a prepaid transaction, and we have to book expense for April, May, June, July, August, September. 6 months. For 6 months, this will go to expense, and balance 6 months will go to prepaid. Okay, this we came to know. Sorry. Moving on to the next document, what we have, this is 15 CB, and how much is the amount? 69110 and 6,28,590. So let us calculate the rate, at what rate we have to book, or we have booked. 9110 divided by, sorry, 628,590 divided by 9110 is 69 rupees. So we have booked this transaction at the rate of 69. Okay, done. Whether TDS is applicable? No, TDS is applicable. See, TDS 0. Why TDS is 0? CA have might have considered what is the reason. The reason could be that the income is not arising in India. Their businesses throughout outside India just going online, nothing inside India. There will not go into the details. We believe what CA has done it. So there is no tax, there is no problem, and this is the 15 CA. So we have made the transaction. So there is no difficulty in this. I suppose there is no grossing up. Now we have booked it at 69 and we have paid it at 68.97. Okay, so let us start accounting. Let's take a new one. Okay, so what will be the accounting entries? First of all, now we will go for a club entry. Okay, so there's no TDS in this case. Otherwise, I will write a club entry and will put the amount as 0. Okay, so this is an expense. So expense account debit. Do we have a prepaid? Yes. So prepaid account debit. Do we have a RCM? Yes. RCM input account debit. We'll write all the amounts. Okay. 2. RCM input is there, so RCM liability would be there. RCM IGST. You must write IGST RCM liability and IGST RCM input. Okay, right? So this will match. Do we have TDS? No, we do not have TDS, but TDS is a liability. In case if we have it, we have to put a figure. So there is RCM, there is prepaid, and then there is vendor account. So what is the name of vendor? Travel Clicko. Okay, this is what it is. Now expense account, how much we have to transfer to expense. Now first of all, what we have to see, that on the basis of which we have to account for, on the basis of payment advice, on the basis of 15 CB, on the basis of 15 CA, on the basis of invoice, what? So we have to account for on the basis of 15 CB. Okay, so what does the 15 CB says? Total amount is 628,590. Can you see it? 628,590. This is the total amount. Okay, and what is the invoice says? So 628,590, and invoice says this is for April to March. So for April to September, we have to book it as expense because we are closing the month of September. Please remember, this is assumption which we have taken. And balance from October to March will go to prepaid. Okay, so it is 6 months, so you can divide it by 2. Simple. 6,28,000. This is expense would be 628,590. I'm sorry. So it would be 628,590 divided by 12 into 6, right? How much is it? 628,590 divided by 12 into 6. So total 314,295. Okay, we'll account for it. The expense 3,14,295. This is 6 months, and same amount will go to prepaid 295. How much is the RCM amount? RCM would be on the total 6,28,000, right? Total 628,590, 18%, because we are assuming same rate, 628,590 into 18%. This is the RCM. 1,13,146. 1,13,146. This will be the liability also. Correct? There is TDS? No, it is nil. Right? So how much will go to the party account? See, 113, 113, this is done. 113, 113, we have already debit and credit, there is no effect. How much we have to pay to the party? 628,590. Simple. The total of these two. This we have to pay to the party. Since there is no TDS, right? If the TDS had been there, the amount would have been reduced. Okay, because we have to pay after TDS. But in this case, there is no TDS. So this would be the accounting entry in this case. Now, secondly, making the payment. What is the payment? We have paid 628,316. 628,316. Travel, Clicko, debit to bank. 628,316. 628,316. Now third part is transferring it to foreign exchange gain loss. Foreign exchange gain loss. Now how to reconcile it? Let us do a reconciliation. How much we have booked? We have booked, what is the dollar amount? Let us see. Dollar is 9110. Okay, 68.97, and we booked at 69. We booked 9110 at the rate 69, and we paid 9110 at the rate 68 point, what was the amount? 97.97. So what is the difference? 69 minus 68.97. Oh, not much of a difference. 0.039,110 So what is the foreign exchange gain loss into 9110 multiplied 273 rupees. This should come into the ledger. The balance of ledger should be this 273 rupees. Okay, it should not be much. Now we'll prepare the ledger and see whether this is the difference. Travel Clicko. Okay, so if you see the first entry, we have credited Travel Clicko 628,590 by invoice 628,590. Then we have paid 628,316 to bank. Since there is no TDS, 628,316. Now let us see the difference. What is the difference between the two? 628,590 minus 628,316, 274 rupees. Exact. So this will transfer to foreign exchange gain loss. Foreign exchange gain loss 274, and the total will match. Okay, so what will be the accounting entry? Accounting entry would be Travel Clicko debit to foreign exchange gain loss 274, and this is how the account is closed. Okay, so I think we have made myself clear how accounting of a foreign transaction is being done. Now in case if you have any other query, you can write it to us. There are a lot of other cases you have to solve on your own, and you face any difficulty, just go by these steps, step by step, see all the things, account for, and make a ledger. Of course, in the end, this reconciliation is very important to see whether your accounting is right or not. Okay, if you face any difficulty, you may write to us. Okay, for the next topic, we'll meet you in the next lecture. Bye bye.